In this video, we'll show the 5 best windshield repair kit on the market. Let's dive into the video to find the best one for you. Number 1, most popular. Rain X600001 Windshield Repair Kit. For maximum capability from a basic windshield repair kit, check out this Rain X product. The windshield repair kit can minimize the appearance and stop the spread of chips and cracks in windshields if the chip is under 1 inch in diameter and the crack is less than 12 inches long. This kit comes with a suction cup jig that adheres to the windshield for easy and pinpoints resin application. It also includes a razor blade, resin, and an applicator bottle, as well as a curing strip that takes advantage of the sun's UV rays. Number 2. Permatex 09103 Windshield Repair Kit. Those wanting a windshield repair kit with a very simple application process might find the Permatex Windshield Repair Kit to be just the ticket. It's suitable for repairs in bullseye cracks and windshield chips under 1 1/4 inches, stopping the spread of the crack or chip and minimizing the appearance of damage. This kit comes with just about everything required for a repair, including a push pin and razor for digging out the loose glass, resin, a syringe, alcohol wipes, and a resin pedestal that attaches to the windshield for an airtight repair. Number 3. Blue Star Fix Your Windshield 2 Repair Kits. Blue Star's Fix Your Windshield kit comes with enough resin and supplies to make 2 repairs on bullseye cracks and windshield chips. This kit includes the resin injector, alignment seals, and its quick cure resin, as well as a push pin and razor for removing the loose glass. There's also a pedestal for attaching the syringe to the windshield for an airtight seal. Once applied, the included curing film uses UV rays from the sun to cure the resin. The result is a smooth repair, free of air bubbles, that will stop the cracking and spidering while minimizing the blemish. Number 4. Clearshield Windshield Repair Kit. Whether for truly professional repairs at home or a new business venture, Clearshield Windshield Repair Kit is worth a look. This kit comes with the materials and tools to repair over 200 windshield chips or cracks with smooth, consistent results. It also includes a suction-mounted bridge for injecting resin into cracks for the most precise repair possible. When it's time to cure the resin, there's a pit sealer for sealing off any residual cracks, along with curing sheets and a UV light to activate the resin so it's not dependent on sunshine. Number 5. 3M Windshield Repair Kit. The 3M Windshield Repair Kit is another worthy contender for straightforward application. This kit will fill small bullseye cracks and chips, under 1 inch in diameter, easily and prevent them from splitting or cracking across a windshield. It comes with a suction-mounted bridge, applicator, a resin application chamber, resin injector, and a curing strip, as well as a razor and push pin. The repair kit minimizes the appearance of glass chips to make the windshield look new. Easy-to-use glass repair formula requires no special tools, mixing, or heat.
For more details, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching the video.